Click on search icon, then in the search bar type Task Manager. Now select Run as Administrator. On this window, click on File, select Run New Task, and then click on Browse button. Now select this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. From here just scroll down and open C System32 folder. Then just scroll down and search for cmd.exe file. Double click on it. Then check this box and click on OK. This will open command prompt window. We already have the list of commands to make it easy for you. So we need to open Google Chrome. Then open google.com. In the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. From the search results, click on this link which is from hows.tech. Now just scroll down and we need to copy these commands. So copy command number 12, go to command prompt window, simply right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter to execute it. Then copy command number 13 and right click and paste the command, hit enter. Once done, close the command prompt window. Click on search icon and in the search bar type powercfg.cpl and click here to open it. Then click on change plan settings, then click here and now expand PCI Express. Expand this power management and change settings to off. Click on apply and then OK. Now close this window. After that, open command prompt, select Run as Administrator. On this window, type this command carefully and hit enter. Once done, close command prompt window. Now open Task Manager. Just scroll down, select Windows Explorer and click on Restart. Now close this window. Go to search bar. Type here cmd, Run as Administrator. Now type this command carefully, sfc /scannow and hit enter. This will take some time to complete the process, so wait for it. After that, open powercfg.cpl again, then go to system settings and in the shutdown settings uncheck this option, save changes, and there we go. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.